We're at a farm park. It's got so many things to offer. Do you want to come with me and see what we got to play with? Come on. It's a castle. I like. Hello. I'm the king of the castle. These holes were made for guns. Oh. Hi. Look at this. It's like a balance. Let's see what else there is. The slide looks a bit wet. Oh, slide there. Oh. Oh. I'm wet. Very wet. Shall we try across this bridge? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 logs. Are you ready? Whoa. That was fun. What's this? It's like a chain rope. Let's try across this. Whoa. Look at this tire. It's from a tractor. Look how big it is. Whoa! Do you think we can make it to that tire from this tire? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, those tires are massive. Look at this swing. It's made out of a tire. This swing goes really high. I'm gonna try get on the. I think it's time to come off this swing now. I'm gonna do a big jump. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa. That was quite fun, that swing. What's this? That was fun in the park over here. Let's see what else there is. Let's see what vegetables are growing here. What animals are here. Look, can you see those sunflowers over there? Come on, let's go. Wow, look at these animals on the wall. There's a pig, a cow, a horse, and a goat. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 animals. Wow. Come in here, let's see what this place is. Come in. Let's close the door. This is a greenhouse. This place grows loads of vegetables. Look at these. These are plum tomatoes. They're green at the moment, but they turn the colour red, like that, and then they get more red. So many tomatoes. There's even different types of tomatoes. There's plum tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Look at this. So many different types of tomatoes. There's tomatoes everywhere. Look at these. These are peppers. Peppers taste so sweet. Do you like peppers? I love peppers. There's more peppers. More peppers. Peppers. Look at these beautiful plants. When you touch animals, you got to make sure you wash your hands properly. 1, 2. How many chickens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different chickens. Hello. Hello, little chicken. There's another one over there. Look how big this pig is. Do you think he wants some food? Do you know what sound a pig makes? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. I don't. Hello, piggy. Look at the pig. It's using its nose to smell the food. I think he's going into his house. He's got a nice house. That's where he goes to sleep. These are rams. They're quite dangerous if you get close. They can headbutt you. Boom. Got to be careful.